Pairing your Telus remote lets you control your TV's volume, channels, and power. The process varies based on your remote and TV type, such as Optic TV or Telus TV Plus. First, ensure your remote has fresh batteries and your TV is powered on before starting the pairing process. For IR pairing, which is used by most Telus remotes, start by pointing the remote at your TV. Then press and hold the Setup or Pair button until the light flashes. Finally, enter your TV's brand code, such as 101 for Samsung. For Bluetooth pairing, which is available on newer remotes like the Telus Voice Remote, go to your TV's Settings menu or use the Telus TV app. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. If pairing fails, first try resetting the remote by holding the Setup button for 10 seconds. Ensure no IR interference exists, such as other devices or obstacles blocking the signal. For app-based pairing, update the Telus TV app and your TV's firmware. If you use a Telus voice remote, linking it to Alexa or Google Assistant allows voice control. Telus also offers voice-guided pairing for visually impaired users. Compatibility requires HDMI stereo for full functionality. If problems persist, check the Telus website for your specific remote model's instructions or contact Telus support. Remember to test the pairing by adjusting volume and changing channels.